March 2nd, 1965, Operation Rolling Thunder begins with more than 100 United States Air Force jet bombers striking targets in North Vietnam. The operation became the most intense air-ground battle waged during the Cold War period. It was the most difficult campaign fought by the United States since the aerial bombardment of Germany during World War II. From 1965 to 1968, about 643,000 tons of bombs were dropped on North Vietnam, and a total of nearly 900 U.S. aircraft were lost during the operation. President Johnson halted Rolling Thunder on October 31, 1968, under increasing domestic political pressure.